In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the ClickFunnels affiliate program and to get your ClickFunnels affiliate link. Now with the ClickFunnels affiliate link, you will get a recurring 30% commission on anyone you refer that is paying to ClickFunnels. So this is a very good payout considering that the plans range from $100 all the way up to $300 per month, and you will get a recurring 30% payout based off of this number. So to actually sign up as an affiliate, all you need to do is look up ClickFunnels affiliate sign up. Now scroll past the advertisements right here and click on the ClickFunnels affiliate sign up link. Then you will see this, ready to be part of history, sign up now to promote the launch of ClickFunnels 2.0. So click on sign up to promote ClickFunnels 2.0. Then you will see this right here. So here you need to enter your first name, your last name, your email and your phone number. And please note, if you are currently promoting ClickFunnels 1.0, use the same email address you use as a ClickFunnels 1.0 affiliate. So just enter your first name, last name, email and phone number, and then check this box. So by checking this box, you are agreeing to the ClickFunnels terms of service and the affiliate terms of service. So make sure you agree to this and then click on this box right here. So then go ahead and click on send me the invite. So now they have sent you an email and you want to open your email account. And then you should receive this email right here, ClickFunnels affiliate program email confirmation. So click on the click here link and that will take you right here. So this is step 2 of 2 for the affiliate program application. So just go ahead and enter your first name and your last name again, then also your email and your phone number, then enter your website URL if you have one, and your affiliate experience. So you can also add your Instagram and Facebook profile, but you don't have to, so just fill this in again. And then after doing that, check this box again. Then click on submit application. Now, as you can see, you have applied for the ClickFunnels affiliate program and you are on your way to getting 30% recurring commissions. So then when you scroll down a bit, you can see for now here's what's important to know. The next step is approval. Your application has been received. Now it needs to be reviewed. A real person approves each application, so it may take at least 2 to 3 business days. So basically when you have been approved, you will receive an email, so just make sure to check out your email inbox and I'll show you what this email looks like right now. So this is what the email will look like, your new affiliate account with ClickFunnels. So then you have this link right here, and when you click on this link, it will log you into your account. So this is what the ClickFunnels affiliate center looks like. So you will see a checklist of things to do to get your site live. So you need to set up payments and accept the affiliate agreement. So just make sure you accept the agreement and set up the payments right here. So then when you scroll down a bit, here you can see your commissions, the trials that you have, your future pending payouts, and then to actually get your affiliate link, you can see right here the active campaigns. So here you can see all of your links. And then here, for example, if you want to have the ClickFunnels 2.0 trial link, you can go ahead and copy this link right here. And now when someone pastes this in or clicks on this link, they will come right here. And if they start their free trial here and actually become a paying customer, then you will see that in here. So you can see that they are using the free trial when they sign up through your link. So you can just go ahead and use any of these links right here. They all lead to different pages, so pick the one that you want and go ahead and promote that link however you want. So that's how to become a ClickFunnels affiliate and get your ClickFunnels affiliate link to start promoting. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.